How to add sky in Blender in 2025. So as you can see, there is the official manual for Blender that shows how you can create a sky on Blender. So dynamic sky is an add-on to create a procedural sun and sky with lots of additional options to tweak. With this single add-on, you can pre-create interior, exterior, or any type of natural lighting with just a few clicks. The author's documents can be found on the author's site. So open Blender and go to the preference, then the add-ons tab, click lighting, then dynamic sky to enable the script. Located in the 3D viewport sidebar, create tab. As you can see from here like this, in the 3D viewport sidebar, then create tab, press the create button on to the run the script and open the properties, then world tab and choose dynamic #1 in the world data block menu. Back in the sidebar panel, you will have new settings to adjust your sky. You can also adjust the world settings in the shader editor. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.